You're watching Shoot Your Shot TV, and today we got more Jordans. Here they are, the Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined, or whatever you want to call it. Still an iconic shoe nonetheless. But before we jump into it, we want to give a huge shout out to the good folks over at 1985 Gallery in Daly City, next to San Francisco State. If you're ever in the area, make sure you swing by. They have Jordans, Nikes, they're dropping shoes weekly, sometimes daily. And the thing I love about 85 Gallery is that they do first come, first serve. You can stay up to date with all the release drops, be in the know, you can know when, know where, know how, all that good stuff, so make sure you follow them on Instagram. Without further ado, let's ado. We have the Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined 2023. 35 years later, the shoe is back in its original colorway, and it has a predominantly leather upper and this premium leather upper with tumbled leather, all white, hits of red, black, cream, all that good stuff. Starting right here at the tongue, you have this white leather with a red Jumpman. Taking us to the middle of the tongue, you have perforated holes on the leather for breathability. You have flat white laces. You have black eyelets at the top. You have cream eyelets right here in the middle. This is the same eyelets that originated on the Jordan 2 and the Nike Python. Taking us down here to the bottom, you have red eyelets as well. And taking us to the toe box, more premium leather, tumbled leather, soft to the touch. Right here, you have that iconic cement print. And the thing with the reimagined 88s is Nike tried their best to replicate the cement print and the shape from the version that came out in 1988, the originals. Taking us to the back of the shoe, you have the Nike Air branding on a cream heel tab. Give it that vintage look, more of that cement print, and then you have black accent right here on the midsole. Some of the midsole is cream as well, mixed with gray and white. And then taking us to the outsole, that red, gray Nike branding. And this is the shoe that Jordan jumped from the free throw line in during the dunk contest, the 88. Killed it. Iconic moments that we remember forever. Not much needs to be said. We reviewed the Fire Red 3s not too long ago. Make sure you check out that review as well. People say that this version right here is the closest that they've got to the 1988 version. Me, I'm not too familiar with the 88 pair, but I'll take their word for it. I personally love Jordan 3s. Every time they come out in their original colorways, it's something that I'm looking forward to picking up. My only gripe with this specific pair is that there's a lack of cushioning right here in the sock liner around the ankle and even on the back of the tongue. I'm not sure if that's how Nike intended it to be, if that's how the 88s were back in 1988. If you know, let us know in the comments below. That's just really lacking some cushioning here compared to previous Jordan 3 releases, but that's not a deal breaker for me. I'm still gonna try and pick up 2 to 3 pairs, maybe 2 pairs. I need 2 of these things. The comfort is there. I went true to size. I'm a 9.5 in Jordan 3s. I've always been a 9.5. Can't do a 10, can't do a 9. I suggest going true to size. You can feel the air unit in the back of the heel and the forefoot of the shoe, and it just feels like a very durable Jordan 3, comparable to my Fire Red 3s and my Jordan 3s from 2018. As far as style goes, it's a Jordan 3 in an original colorway. You can't go wrong. Black, white, gray, a lot of neutral colors there. A little bit of red, but not too much. So you can wear this with any outfit. You don't have to match it to Chicago Bulls colors. You can do whatever you want, still make yourself have a great fit. And over the years, Nike and Jordan Brand have dropped hundreds of different colorways and variations of the Jordan 3, but nothing quite hits like the original colorways with the original box, the hang tag, the Nike Air, the little pamphlet that came with the original 1988 Jordan 3s. This is definitely on my list for 2023 as one of the top sneakers of the year. The White Cement Jordan 3 is a must-have. As far as price point goes, these retail for $210, which is kind of the standard nowadays for retro Jordans. So what are you gonna do about it? It is what it is. And if you're interested in picking these up, they release everywhere on March 11th, Saturday. If you're in the area, San Francisco, South San Francisco, Daly City, make sure you head on over to 85 Gallery, follow them on Instagram so you can know when to show up, because I believe they are doing first come, first serve. Let us know how you guys feel about the Jordan 3 in the comments below. Is this something that's a must-have for you as well? Or are you gonna pass, or are you gonna cop them to flip? Let us know, we love to hear from you guys. But let's go ahead and try these on.
They thought I was a no-show till I showed up. Stitching all these records together, I got it sewn up. Moving slow motion like an ocean front. Shoot your shot records, yo, you know it's us. I don't do much, but I can show them some. Nike Dunks from 85, or some Jordan 1s. I won't say it again. If I told you once, you should know what's up. Shit, ain't nobody cold as us. I ain't known the front. I'm known to back up everything I say. In my next LP, well, that's dropping on tape. Y'all chase clout till your legs gave out. They do whatever to get famous now. I ain't trying to get poppin' that way. Never got love for whoever if they not in my way. And they ain't trying to stop all the commas I make. I thought y'all hold it down while I was on break, but all I saw was more rappers, and all of them fake. That's okay. Go and get your bread if you can, bruh. Go ahead and flex for the camera. Go on.
And that's our episode for today. But if you guys are enjoying content like this, make sure you check out all these other videos right here as well. Tons of content for you guys to watch. And we'll catch you on the next episode. Peace.